The big guy over here.
Slime defeated.
I feel like the map should be zoomed out a bit more. Oh, you can do it. You just have to do it manually.
Is there an FOV setting?
You just have to press like minus on your keyboard unironically to zoom the map out.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay, I see.
We actually kind of see where we're going now.
What are those question marks? Are we just like skipping everything?
Yeah, we're skipping like all the things we're probably meant to be like getting stuff from. Trying to get all the mats so we can actually try and do the hard stuff.
Snow is available.
The hell, this guy model?
The boss has formed.
We're dead.
Oh. Just tank it.
Easy
what's happening.
tank.
The full heal spec, dude. You're fucking just hey. I heal when I dash. I have like a panic heal, and I just constantly heal. Easy.
Tank gear. What is this? Well,
I guess it's the disenchant it.